I'm Adam Winkler, professor of law here at UCLA and an expert on the Second Amendment and gun policy. This case will decide whether Mexico can sue gun makers for the illegal export of guns into Mexico. Hundreds of thousands of guns make it into Mexico from America every year, against the law in Mexico. And although federal law provides broad immunity for gun makers if their guns are used for criminal activity, the law has several exceptions, and Mexico argues that one of those exceptions applies here. There is no case law directly on point, and although federal courts have in recent years read the federal law that provides immunity to gun makers broadly, just a couple years ago, the Supreme Court said that the families of victims of the Newtown shooting could sue a gun maker, and that opened up a broad new avenue for holding gun makers liable when their guns are used to commit crimes. There are two things at stake in this case. For Mexico, they're seeking to cut off the flow of firearms into that country. American firearms are associated with tens of thousands of deaths in Mexico every year. And for the gun makers, what's at stake is whether they're going to face an increasing number of lawsuits as a result of the distribution and use of firearms for illegal purposes.